Hello everyone, Amanda here. Just thought I'd come and share a lovely swap that I've received from my lovely friend Kay. We've been sending some crafty swaps to each other to get us crafting and get us mojo flowing, mostly mine. But it keeps Kay out of trouble as well because she can be, you know, she gets in all sorts of mischief. So she sent me a lovely card as she always does. I'm not going to read it because it's private. She's made these lovely journal dangles. How cute are these? So she's very good at giving me ideas because and then I can steal them, you see, and use them in my journals. So look at these, how aren't these cute? I'll be having a go at these. The only thing, yeah, these ones are just wire wrapped, I think. I don't have that kind of wire, but the general idea I think I could maybe borrow. So that's lovely. And the sun's going to keep coming in and out, so you'll have to excuse the lighting. And then this one's got a lovely, that's got a claw on it, a claw fixing, and one at the back, and then that's another one. So those are lovely. I will be using those. They will be coming to a journal near you very soon. I do use the things that Kay sends me because I love them. Hold on, which way does that go? It goes that way. Okay. I will be using them. And then our swap was an altered envelope. I think I might have interpreted mine a little bit different than Kay's, because I did initially think of an envelope where you turn it into like a little mini journaling thing for putting ephemera in, like changing a big. And anyway, long story short, what Kay's done is she's taken loads of envelopes and actually altered them. So I think maybe I got it a bit wrong, but never mind. And what she's done is, look at these are fab, and these can go in your journals, you know, to put ephemera in. You can make pockets out of them. I think these are lovely. And she's used the Alice in Wonderland napkins. Not going to brag, but I sent her them. I think I sent a couple in our last swap as a gift, maybe, or the one before, I can't remember. But she's used that, and then she's used some other napkins as well, and then she's inked it, ink splodged it, and then we've got some like goldy colour there. I'm gonna have to, or bronzy colour. I'm gonna have to ask her how she's done that. Whether it's some kind of pigment powder that she's used, or paint, or what, I don't know. But I need that. I need it in my life. And then she's edged around the edge of it as well with it. It's like a bronzy goldy colour. It's really lovely. And then we've got some stamp in there, like a postage mark. And then obviously she's coated it in either, I don't know, Mod Podge or whatever she uses there to protect it, and it's lovely. I need to know what this is. I'm wondering if she's made like, I don't know, but I need to ask her. And then we've got another one here with birds on, butterflies, and it's a long skinny envelope. They're absolutely lovely, these. So I'll be having a good look at these, and these will get used. I do use the things that Kay sends me. I put them in journals, do all sorts with them. Here she's done me an altered, it's an index card, I think. Yeah, so that's an index card. You can get these. I've bought them previously from the range. So she's stamped on the back to make it look like a postcard, and then I think she's laid it up with thicker cardstock to make it thicker, and then she's done some beautiful, we've got stamping. I think that's stamping, yeah. We've got some lovely stamping, we've got some decoupage, some ink splattering, then we've got this lovely goldy edge again. Beautiful. And then we've got this little one here with the Mr. Wabbit on it. And we've got a bee on the back. It's absolutely lovely. We've got ink splattering and splodging, and it just all comes together really, really lovely. She's done it in pink because she knows I like pink, and I try and make her stuff in blue because I know she likes blues and greens like the sea. So this is another larger one, and then because she's decoupaged it and put Mod Podge on, it makes it feel, you know, thicker and more substantial, so they won't tear. It's a really lovely idea. I might do a process video. I wouldn't call it a tutorial because there's loads out there, but what I might start doing are some process videos of stuff for journaling like this, incorporating stamps. I mean, I'm not short of stamps, so I might have a go. Give me something to do. Keep me out of trouble as well as Kay. And then bless her, she sent me these napkins, which I did see Artie Mays, Andrea, she had mentioned these. I can't remember where she mentioned them, whether it was in the Facebook group, but she'd mentioned that these were in Sainsbury's, I think. And you can get these, and of course, obviously, when you get them from the supermarket, they're an awesome price, because some napkins that you can craft with can be a bit pricey. These are nice and reasonable, so Kay's obviously been and bought some and shared them with me, which is kind. And all you need to do is cut a little tiny section out and decoupage it, and these napkins will have 4 panels, so they're going to last you ages. And yeah, obviously, if you've decoupaged before, you peel off the backing and then cut the piece and decoupage it onto whatever, onto anything you want. It's lovely. And then she sent me the floral ones as well, so that's ever so kind of her. You can never have too many napkins, I'm telling you. So I just thought I'd come and share that with you. Kay is Kazikins here on YouTube. She does do design teamwork for Artie Mays, and she is one of my recommended channels if you go to my main channel page, because I've known her a very, very long time, and she's one of my lovely, lovely, dearest friends. So there you go. Hopefully, well, I'm sure she may well show mine once she gets them. I'm not on time. I'm not on time this time for the swap. I was on time last time. I'm not on time this time. Sorry, Kay. It will be with you soon. I'm on with it. Alright. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.